off with this picture.
Back rows missing? Back row missing?
It looks like it only has the back row.
No, it's only a front row. At least the front. It's just a white.
What the heck?
What the heck?
This website is so bad. What is going on with this? This needs to be discussed here. Something really strange is going on with this. So this is what this is what the stock picture always looks like, and then we have this. It just.
I want the model with the blades outside the guard.
And why is the hole so pronounced?
I know.
It almost looks like it's photoshopped in or something.
Like, how does this pass, like, through and, like, be like, okay, this is acceptable image?
As I've said many times before, I don't think anybody reviews the site. I think they just come up with slop and blast it on
no
there,
one at
and
the wheel
that's
here.
Whatever it is. Wait, the wheel fell off.
Yeah, really.
This is bad. I just can't figure out what is going on.
It's like a visual trick.
It does kind of look like the back row is missing, but then it also looks like the front row is missing because the blade is so much more visible.
That's what I'm saying. Right, you don't... Like, you kind of see the guard,
Yeah, but then where's the back?
It's gone.
It almost looks like up here, like it seems like someone just cut the guard off. It's like old pieces left. I don't know what the heck is going on here.
It's a visual trick.
I'm saving this picture though because this is hilarious. This is good stuff here. I'm gonna save this picture too. I might have to revisit this. Oh, where did that save? Okay, whatever. All right. Anyways, what I was trying to figure out before we got distracted. There's something is wrong. I can't tell what it is though. There's something very strange about these two pictures. Well, not about this picture. This is what they look like in person. This picture is weird.
Oh,
I don't get it.
it makes zero sense.
How do you screw?
But the crazy thing is, like, there are more
What
of these
is
fans out there than any other fan. It's just... Oh, you know you're getting a bot after hours.
This bot is horrible. It can't even produce a different answer. Completely worthless. Now, instead of implementing this, the resources should have been used to get the pictures consistent. How do you get rid of this garbage? There's something is weird about this picture.
So silly.
Yeah, it's the #1 fan brand, but it's only by default. And there's an asterisk here, so there must be a lie.
Brand in the USA. Mm-hmm.
What the heck? What, are they eating cookies? This picture's bizarre too. Yeah, they're eating cookies with this guy's on the behind the couch.
What?
Okay.
That's how I eat my cookies.
Let's unpack this here. So this guy is standing behind the couch, in between the wall and the couch, like that's a normal use case. The child's
Maybe
eating
there's
a
a
cookie.
fan back there.
Well, I'll get to that. The child's eating a cookie. This lady looks like she stuffed 10 cookies in her mouth at once. And this child looks like he's about to have a meltdown. And this is where the Hasek fan should be. And best of all, where's the product? The product is not even in the photograph.
They didn't Photoshop it in yet.
Where's the, like, it doesn't picture a hot room. It doesn't picture a typical use case. It doesn't even picture the product. What does this photograph have to do with selling the fan?
Selling cookies.
It has nothing to do with the fan. If you looked at this picture out of context, nothing would tell you, that's a fan.
No idea what this is.
This
I
website's
think it's like
horrible.
a pharma commercial or something.
Yeah, I would think this is a food commercial because that's what's going on is they're eating food. This is so ridiculous. And there's this, which is something. I think that the blade shape is kind of odd too.
It looks different.
The blade looks more like the 90s, 99 one.
It does.
Especially with the pronounced, like there's this extra circle here. I think that this is a picture of an older blade that was put in there. Because this looks like the newer blade. That's definitely an older blade set, I think.
Blueprint.
We got the blueprint, that's good.
Just in case you...
Okay, this picture's a little bit better.
Photoshopped, isn't
That is
it? Right.
totally Photoshopped.
Right, but at least it shows the product.
Yeah.
I mean, this is not, like, this is a good place to put a Hasek fan. I wouldn't, or a Tower fan. I wouldn't put this kind of fan there.
Oh my.
You know, maybe you put it off to the side a little bit more. And that thing looks tiny in relation to the table. It looks like a 10-inch model.
It does.
That's fairly normal, but that could have been a Hasek fan right there with the chair.
Oh yeah.
Totally missed opportunity. All right, that's all of them. So back to the original purpose was what fan did they have that's going for about $50?
It's going to be like a Pro Power, Power Plus.
Well, it's no longer called fans. They're called air movers. Why can't things just be simple like it used to be? It used to just be called a fan. So this stupid thing is $70.
That's...
What the?
No one buys that.
These are so
Tower fans.
ugly. This is actually a very good product. I think this price is a bit steep, but I think this is a pretty good product. Oh gosh, I gotta get that off of there. Here's my favorite, the 2520. This is, for some reason, the most hated pedestal fan out there. And I really don't think it's all that bad. What the heck is this goofy thing? Oh, so lithium-ion battery. Wait for the recall. So you can get one of these for what it's worth. I think these are pretty good value. The 1820, 1827. These are trash. Loud junk. Oh, duh. Okay, probably should cut that part out. Is there a single box fan even in this? Okay, just cut that part up too. All right, so you're right. The closest thing is the Pro Power, which is $59. So slightly more. This is respectable, I think.
Yeah.
You know, it's not built with the same durability as this other one is, but does it move the same amount of air? Probably close.
We have one. It's not bad.
I would imagine it's comparable to like the what's that dark gray one?
The Power Plus.
Yeah,
it's the same
the weakness
thing.
minus.
It's basically a paint job.
That's what I figured. It's probably the same internals. These are all the same internally. What the heck was our original point here?
The price compared to...
Oh yeah. So can you still get a box fan for about the same? Yeah, I guess you can. It's still out there. Oh, this has weather shield motor. Allows for worry-free window use, but then the thing says don't use in the window. And stupid.
Can't make it up.
No, what you really can't make up is this photograph.
Oh.
It has nothing to do with fans. That should be on a food ad.